Assalamualaikum and good morning to all lecturers. And I would like to show you about my programming that I will make it is section B, where for executable C source code. Okay, first of all, this is for our header. This include mathematics because this is part of where we need to make in mathematics some of calculations. And okay, first of all, I will put integer count number where I put option, I put value and G. Other one is float for the data types integer total add add and total add power number power total subtract and subtract sum and done. So first of all, I want to take the one. This one for data type is I would to make is this is a for function. So the reason I put the float because it's a data type where floating where data types I can explain for the float is like float is a data type where for the point number that number has a decimal where it stores double precision where floating point number with up to 17 significant digits. So that's why I put data for my data types I declare for the float. So first of all I would like to divide it. So I make this float. This is for case 1. Float sum. Other one is float. This is for case 2. Again, float subtraction. Other one is float case 3, where float for power. And the last one is float case 4, where float done. So last one is float A B C D. So okay, this is I make some separate. I want to divide where I want to know okay each of the case of function. So first of all, I work in main. So total at 0 and I is 0 and subtract is 0. So I will make do I will declare where I put the do because is like a while loop is a control flow statement that execute a block of code at least once. That means if the condition is true, so then it will again execute the body of a loop. So okay, I will put the declare for the output where do printf simple calculator option. So other one is print f, and for the first one is the addition. I will put declare because I want make some addition. So the second one is print f1 the addition. Addition, and other one is print f. I put the what else? Okay, I forgot to put this one. This number 2 is for the subtraction. So print f number 3. We put the total of power of n. So other one is print f the press 99 to exit. And other one is again print f and the option and scan f and option. The press, okay, and the option, okay. So other one is I will put switch option where for the case 1 for case 1A and break. Okay, the reason I put the switch is because is switch cases is like allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. So each value is called a case where variable being switched on is that case. Let's say I will explain later why I declare this because its statements are a substitutes for long if statement that compare a variable to several integral values. So that's why I declare this one and I declare make again this one also. So this one for cases 2. So other one is for case 3. I want to separate it so that's why I know which one where I put after this. So this is for A, this is for C. So so oops. So other one is I will put is wall wait, option so they have option 99 where I will declare for output print F. Okay, thank you. This is for the part last. If let's say if someone didn't want to declare something, they will ask for thank you only. So this is I declare for function. Okay, other one is again I will put the data types floats where for the case for the case one is float sum and print F enter. Okay, the reason I put while is where single statement or for block statement so that yeah it's easy to make and the number for this is for value. and scan F. For integer, so I as first and value plus. So last one is I will put total at total at total at plus integer and we'll put while is count number and let's see print f your total addition is how much I can get the total and return a. So this one for the float case one where I do for do and for float 2 case I will make float case 2 for float subtraction. So this one is I put integer loop number and float number zero and I put print how many numbers yes can f and loop number is okay. This is for float 2 and I will put 4 integer I and the I loop number and this one is printf number the I plus 1 and scan F, and this one is number I, this is number I, and so again I put 4 integer I 0 I and loop number I plus plus, and I would declare number number I plus 1 and number I plus number plus I, and other one is I want to put B number print F your total subtraction is where return V, and this one I will put float keys 3 float power, and I declare for output printf and the integer scanf and integer, and I will declare for the last is printf and the power. This one scan F, I put power and integer power, say say number of power. So printf your power is return C. So okay, this is for coding that I've done. Then I will run. So I will put first addition. How many numbers is 3? And I will put 3, 10.81, and 0.33. So I will get 14.14. And second subtraction, how many is number 3? And number 1 is, I would like to put 10.51, negative 33.41, and 2071. So I will get negative, and last number 3, 5, and 6. So this is what I get. So thank you very much, and see for the next lab. Thank you.